Ayan, ano kinukuha mo? Ayan, 2 millimeter, calibration. And you remember that will be your basis of adjustment always. Because when you are at 2, and those people in CD are saying it is 5, take note, this make it parallel with the lower member of the articulator, right? At 2 millimeter, it makes it parallel with it. Okay. The next is byte registration. Kailangan natin ng ano? Meron kayong scissor crown?
Crown scissors daw. Crown scissors. Boy Scout. Garcia Calora.
So you instruct your patient to bite on it. And then when you instruct your patient, kagad ka, Mr. President, take note of the relations before the registration. Now when the patient bites on it, this should be having the same relation as well, just like the way when you have that without the wax. With or without the wax, it should be the same. So in order to be able to see that, now take note of the relationship, especially of this. As you can see, this a little bit of median, ano? Hindi naka-coincide yung median line niya with the upper and the lower. The upper is slightly, the lower is slightly on the right side of the face. So this is what you're going to be take note of. I-support mo yung head, hindi, baka na. Okay. And then to be sure that you can see the anterior, then push this on the interior, right? So that you will see the relations of the anterior. Kagat. Din, kagat. Galit. Galit. Ayan. Okay. Okay, you see the same relation, right? The same relation without the wax. Right? So with the wax, kagat. Okay, same, right? So that is how you establish centric. Kagat. Ayan. Same ba side? Naturally, when this is corrected, that means the rest are also correct. Right? Kagat mo, kagat mo. I-minamasay natin dito sa likod mo. And then, so that you can see, it's quite impossible naman this is unrelated. This is related, but the back is with a space, right? Because for reasons that it is contacting, then we presume that the other are also in contact with what we have done previous to the placement of the wax. Open mo. Kaya nga butas eh, oh. So meaning directly related sila. Okay? And then,
Pala hindi ko ngipin na nasa taas eh. Ngipin mo yan?
kunyari lang nahugasan natin. Sugat ka, wala kang tubig. Ano ba yun? Ano nga, sabi ko baliktad kaya magkasi. Wala ba nakarinig? Sabi ko, ito ba yun, baliktad? So you close it para to ensure.
Ay, close. Nice.
You cannot do your sewing. You cannot do the sewing when you are already, tawag dito, have mounted it like this. It disturbs the relations, ano? Wala ka ng danger na gagalaw yung record of the Facebook because these are already cemented. You have already obtained this Facebook registration. Na-relate mo na yung upper sa articulator, just like with it to the jaw. So you are now relating the byte of the lower with that of the upper. Okay? Kaya in the semi-adjustable, what matters is the correct position of an upper. Orientation relation. Okay? Phase bow registration. What we are doing now is the vertical registration. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to mount it. Ito, magagalit ko. Naka-picture pa. Tapos walang mounted. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, sinira nyo pa. Ayan. Close it. And then be ready with the rubber band. We want that the expansion will be going sideways. Because if you're going to cement it just like what we did, okay, if you want, if you can even experiment on it, cement it and leave it just like that. By tomorrow, you will see that there will be a space between them, which is a sign of dimensional changes, meaning you were not able to mount it in the correct relation. You got that? Kaya that is the reason why you are provided with elastic like this. Okay, once we have cemented this, we are going to put the elastic later on. So just be ready with it. When this, then again, this, following what we did a while ago, before. Now you are going to keep this in a safe place. Some bandit may be floating around. Careful with it. Yun lang ang gamit nun. Yung upper, fixed ball. Tapos ng trabaho niya. Matipid. This is the tensiometer technique. Which is ball na, ball. Yan ang special technique. Bawas, dagdag. Parang yun. Now, in mixing, just be sure that everything of the powder there that is dry should be wet. Kasi minsan may ilaw na cement doon. Parang sure na
Ano, kailangan ko lang ganyan. Cheese, ha? Gusto ko lang makain.
Itong mga sulok na to ang hindi pinapasok. Ito. Nakamatigid na kasali.
Sir, kailangan niya magbuha ko?
Ha? Yan. Yung?
Pwede na ako. Excuse.
Ito patataasin nyo. Right? Obvious reason, di ba? Baka hindi umabot. Kailangan mag-connect sila. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Umabot ba? Nelsie? Okay. Control.
Nelsim.
Take over. Huh? So you can put it after or you can put it now to be sure. Okay? So that there will be no expansion. Oh, ayusin mo yan. Okay?